what's up geeks and nerds, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been really long since I last uploaded the video, almost like a month, and I couldn't shoot the video, I couldn't upload it, got no time for YouTube whatsoever because I was first traveling for work, attending a conference in Singapore which we'll be talking about shortly, and then I am shifting my home, and that's the most burdensome thing to do. Actually, I'm shifting to a new apartment very soon, and I'm gonna show you what's in there, my new work desk and all kind of things in some later video. But yeah, my apologies if you were waiting for the video and I couldn't able to put some new videos, but now I'm going to be regular as like before, sticking to the schedule, uploading one video each week at least. And so let's get started with today's video. But before going to the video, if you are among 100 of people who subscribe to this channel in the past couple of months, then let me introduce myself. My name is Ayan, I'm an engineer by profession, and on this channel I put videos about DIY electronics, drones, career things and everything in between, so a lot of amazing things. So please make sure, if you haven't subscribed already, please do it and share this video with your friends who are into technology. And regarding the video, let's start. Alright, so today's video is all about the conference I attended in Singapore, and that is the FOSSASIA OPENTEC Summit 2019. Basically, I was one of the speakers there. I talked about embedded programming for everyone using MicroPython and CircuitPython, and it was a really amazing conference. That was actually my first time in Singapore, and I love the city. It was beautiful, it was awesome. I also learned a lot of different things. Most importantly, I suck at vlogging, so I tried to vlog the experience during the conference, and nah man, I cannot do it. I really suck at vlogging. I don't know, maybe I improve over the time when I keep vlogging more and more, but as of now I really suck at vlogging. Also, I need some more gears like a gimbal, more lenses for my camera. I really feel constrained, and yeah, down the line I'm gonna do that. So talking about the conference, the FOSSASIA Summit is like a big organization who conduct these conferences every year. They have been into open source groups and open source community for really long, also participate in Google Summer of Code every year and have a really huge community. And the conference venue was Lifelong Learning Center. That was also really great venue for this conference. So I'm standing right outside the conference venue. That is the Lifelong Learning Center, and that is where the FOSSASIA conference is going to happen. So let's check that out. By the way, it's a beautiful venue, so let's go. Talking about my talk, wow, that sounds good. Talking about my talk, it was on embedded programming for everyone using MicroPython and CircuitPython. I showed some demo projects which I took with me along, and the talk was really appreciated by the people who attended. I got a very positive response, and here is a small snippet of my talk. And in case you want to check the entire talk, that is on FOSSASIA's YouTube channel. I'm going to link the talk video down below in the description, so if you want to check it out, please do so. I know. You're all jealous. So I was talking about the people I used to interact on social media before due to participating in same communities, but never met in real life before. In this conference I got a chance to meet a lot of them, and here I also met Masafumi from Raspberry Pi Group Japan, and he's an amazing guy. Gave me a lot of different stickers which I'm giving you soon. So I just met Masafumi from Raspberry Pi Group Japan. So how are you?
I'm good.
Enjoying the conference so far?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good, very fun. Very hardware stuff.
Yeah.
And so they use the areas or something hackathon or very good things or cars.
So amazing talk you have given about the Raspberry Pi. So we also organize this like a Raspberry Pi thing in India.
Yeah.
Maybe you can join us sometimes in India. Come down maybe. Or, So he also gave me a lot of stickers so coming to you.
Yeah.
He will be sending more, right?
Yeah.
Then he also has a booth from a lot of different open source projects and companies who have set up their small booths to showcase what they are doing, what their plans are, how their product works, and I interacted with a lot of different such organizations. Two of them especially caught my eyes. Number one is Lines Forge, who are making a safe desktop laser cutter for makers and homebrew engineers like us, and the second one is Flowchain, which is a hybrid blockchain for secured small constrained IoT devices. So I interviewed their representative on the booth, and here's the conversation I had with them.
So what we're going to do here is it's going to be a two-stage process. We're going to do the engraving for the Facebook open source. Once that's done, we'll do the total cutout, so it'll be a second file.
Is there a camera inside?
Yes. So what you're seeing here is a real-time streaming of the video footage of what's happening inside. There's two cameras. This is what we call the safety camera. This gives you the entire overview of the cutting area. Then there's one more top camera. This will give you the top-down view for alignment. Yeah. But once you started cutting, this is generally what you want to do. Just give a count of it in case there's a fire or not.
So a lot of the cutters I've seen, they have a transparent casing. So is there a reason for that, or like why this is not a transparent casing?
Yeah, for us, for two things. First and foremost, the machine is supposed to be portable. So transparent casing means you're either a glass or whatnot.
Yeah, so they tend to break down.
Yes, you can't check in.
Yeah.
Glass, right. So ours need to check in.
Right.
So that's number one. Number two, so your laser safety. So you need to look at two parts. First part here is that the how I call it. The direct laser exposure is one thing. So staring even through a glass, the brightness.
Yeah, that can be harmful for eyes.
Yeah, exactly. So you can't just assume that the brightness doesn't hurt your eyes.
Yeah.
So imagine you have a 3 years old kid staring down, fascinated by the whole thing.
Yes.
You can stare at this. You can't stare at that one.
So that's a good idea to have cameras.
So that was the whole idea. So the logic is really to give you the maximum safety that you can get out of a powerful package, so that families and children can come together and create something together. So you wouldn't trust any other form of protection. So what you see here is full metal enclosure, full aluminium. Even in the unlikely event of a fire, the fire will just die out inside, just because it's a metal can, right?
So where can people find more about this thing?
Check our website at Cloud Laser or Lion Forge. Cloud Laser. So we just completed our Indiegogo campaign last year, July. Less than 9 months, we are already doing production.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, we are keeping to our promise to our supporters. And also at the same time to demonstrate that through open source you can deliver professional products into the global market. So we are actually taking on the whole 9 yards of product certification as we are speaking, we are getting UR certification for electrical safety, laser safety, and EMC.
Right. Yeah.
Right? So we are not taking any shortcut just because it's open source.
Yeah, that's right. So is it available for international shipping already?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have orders ready from States, Europe, Australia, Korea is taking demand and so on. So generally it's fairly global.
Perfect. Thank you.
Right?
Okay, hello. Okay, so blockchain is a hybrid blockchain which combines the private blockchain and the public blockchain. So you can see these devices. Okay, blockchain is designed for the IoT devices. So this is the demonstration of the IoT device. With the blockchain OS inside, you can use we can make data into small pieces, so it can run faster, and we can make it on the public blockchain, so it can faster and also more secure. Yeah, and also we have very important technology is this one. It's called blockchain PPKI. Okay, the blockchain PPKI can use for audit data, because when we want to transfer our data, we need to make sure the data is totally trust or not, or being hacked. So the blockchain PPKI technology can help we to audit this data. If this PPKI confirm the data is from the register ID, yeah, so it can be stored onto the public blockchain. Yeah, so these two technology links it can make very good on that.
This PPK, I think this attached to the gateway.
Yeah, it's like the gateway. Yeah, it's wireless.
So what all kind of node hardware you guys support?
Anything.
This is like linkage, MediaTek.
Yeah.
Arduino, Raspberry Pi, anything can run JavaScript, can install blockchain OS.
Okay.
Anything.
What about ESPs?
Yes, of course. Yeah.
So it's completely open source?
Completely open source. Complete open source. It's all on GitHub.
And where can people find more about blockchain?
Yeah, can find more about blockchain, you can visit our website. Blockchain.io.
Blockchain.co.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So that was my experience from FOSSASIA Summit 2019. Really had an amazing time in Singapore, and I'm definitely going back maybe next year. Full disclosure, I also went to Malaysia and Thailand after that just for having a small vacation. Though I'm not a travel vlogger, I cannot stop myself filming the beautiful skyline of Singapore, Malaysia and the party season in Thailand. So I'm gonna put a small video I made out of this trip at the end of this video. So if you are interested, go check that out. Before ending this video, I would really thank you for all the support which you guys are showing till now. Keep supporting, and like this video if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do all kind of things that YouTuber asks you to do. The best thing you can do is share it on the social media. That really helps a lot. And keep supporting. I'm gonna make more videos such coming your way in future. Thank you very much. My name is Ayan. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Alright, so that was FOSSASIA Summit. My talk was done. It was really amazing. I really had some great time attending the talks, and now I'm done with the conference, but I'm not done with the Singapore. So it's Saturday and it's gonna be a party night tonight, so let's go.
I've been keeping myself so busy.